Is this thing on? You spend a lot of your time as a teenager in school getting a lot of information thrown at you, but you're never really shown how to process it and study effectively. I am particularly passionate about helping students just like you develop these study skills, and that's why for over 10 years I've been presenting in schools to parents and to students all over Australia. How many distracting tabs and bookmarks are there in your browser? How many unfinished assignments and copies of notes do you have on your desktop? All of these create a visual distraction when you're trying to study. By restricting your study to 25-minute blocks, your brain can recognize a clear endpoint. You're telling your brain that it will get a break, and therefore it is more likely to stay focused on the task at hand. Besides, when was the last time you got a notification or something happened that if you didn't check it in 25 minutes, your world would fall apart? You can usually get away without checking your phone for 25 minutes. One way that you can help your brain recognize this list as tasks that need to be complete is by adding action words or verbs to the beginning of each task. One of the most common memory strategies is the use of cue cards or flashcards. One way we can improve this is when creating the cue cards, put a question on one side and put the answer to that question on the other side. You need to understand what type of questions they're going to ask you. You need to practice your recall in response to the triggers. You need to practice those timed conditions. By knowing what the opposition or the examiner is bringing to the table, it helps you get better results. So what are you waiting for? My life lesson is now in session.